Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from MoneyMakerArea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you what is the best way to make money online. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're on my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topic. So if this is something that you really want to go ahead and master, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. If you really want to know what's my number one recommendation of making money online, I mean passive income, make money while you sleep, while you travel, while you enjoy life with your family, check out the very first link in the description. That's going to be my number one recommendation of making money online. But now let's go back to the topic. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you what is the best way to make money online. As you guys know, there are several ways you can make money online. If you want, you can do drop shipping. If you want, you can do affiliate marketing. If you want, you can be a ghostwriter, you can be blogging, you name it, right? But there is actually a way in which you can actually make tons of money. It doesn't matter what's your niche, right? What's your product or service you're promoting, and how you decide to promote it. And that way, it's the real way to make money online, and that's it by being an online influencer. That means by being like online influencer. And maybe you're like, Diana, me an influencer. Yes, nowadays everybody have the same opportunity to be an online influencer. It's not like before we're just actresses, top sport players, right, models. But now, no. Now, regular people, you know, can be an influencer. That's why you see these kids, these teenagers, these young adults on Instagram, Facebook, several social networks, crushing it, making money online because they're influencing other people on their same age, right? People who likes what they do with people who they can connect with, and their influence. Put it into perspective. Whenever you decide to buy a perfume, sometimes you buy it because your favorite actor, actress, singer, or top performing player is the one who is promoting it. Okay? Is the one to be promoting it. And since you relate with that person, you decide to go ahead and buy the same product. If you let's say you are a sport fan, but you're not also a sport fan, but you are a person who play or practice in a specific sport, chances are that you're gonna have the same sneakers as the top player that you follow. Okay, you're gonna have everything because if that player is promoting it and is using it unconsciously because you want to be like him or her, right? You are gonna be buying the same products. Okay, so it's exactly the same way right now, but now you're going to be on online influencers, and thanks to the social medias, right, on all these platforms, we can reach tons of people. So you don't need to be on a magazine, you don't need to be on a billboard, you don't need to be on a movie. Okay, right? And one of the things that you need to understand is that you become your business. Okay, you are your business, right? It doesn't matter if today you're promoting a product, the next day you're promoting another product. In the future, you decide to go ahead and launch your own product or course or service or whatever. People are gonna buy from you. They're gonna take your recommendations. Okay, let me put you in a perspective. Okay, let's say that we are gonna use Cristiano Ronaldo as an example. He is one of the top performers if you are a soccer fan, right? He used to be in Real Madrid, now he is in La Juventus, right? Juventus paid tons of money because of his services, right? And they get it back just in one day. Okay, the same team is making way more money now because they do have an influencer, because this guy is his own business. Okay, they understand the potential that this guy has, not only as a player but as a brand. Okay, so this is something that you need to understand, and you can have the same, you can be exactly the same. Okay, the very first thing that you need to do if you want to be an online influencer is that you need to build an audience. Okay, you need to choose a platform. Don't be jumping from one platform to the other. For example, right now I'm using YouTube as a platform. This is the platform that I feel comfortable. Okay, I do have a blog, but I'm not updating it pretty consistently because right now at this time, things change. I feel way more comfortable doing videos. It's easier for me rather than to go blogging. Previously, when I get started, I felt more comfortable blogging rather than to be on video. So you need to choose a platform, you need to stick to it. If you are okay with Instagram, go with Instagram. If you're like me and you want to do videos on YouTube. If you want to be on Facebook because you are great creating groups, go with Facebook. Okay, if you want to go blogging, go ahead and blogging, but choose a platform and stick to it. The most important thing is that we need to build this audience, and in order to build audience you need to provide valuable information or valuable content. Okay, right now you need to say, okay, I'm gonna stop consuming too much content. Okay, or I'm gonna try to consume, which is watching videos, reading blogs, less content, and I'm gonna start producing content. Okay, I'm gonna start producing content because people needs to understand that, hey, there is a lot of other people sharing the same information, but you have your own tone of voice, you have your own way to promote this. Nobody else is you. Okay, so the easier way to do this is by learning, doing, and teaching. You're gonna learn something, you're gonna do it, or you're gonna apply it, and then you're gonna teach it. Okay, remember that at the end of the day, people are gonna connect with you, and people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. If you think like, okay, but there is this other, for example, there's other YouTuber with 300,000 of followers, why will I, or why should I start my YouTube channel now? Because chances are that, and a small audience, because your YouTube channel is going to be growing, is going to connect with you. They're going to relate with you. They're going to enjoy your journey. They're going to enjoy your tone of voice, the way you explain, the way you express yourself. And that's the reason why they're going to end up buying from you, and they're going to start following you. Okay, how you can monetize your audience now that you have your audience? Okay, the very first thing is that you can put ads. I put in here Google Ads. So if you have a blog, you can put a Google ad. If you have a YouTube channel, you can do it. You can enable the Google Ads as well. But my recommendations are that you can create your own courses. Don't worry, you are already an expert in something. Maybe you are not a guru, but there are a lot of people who don't know how to do certain things, and they need to get started. Okay, they don't have this advanced knowledge, so they need to get started. So you can create your own courses. Okay, you can promote your own products or services if you want. Right, in my case, I do affiliate marketing. For me, this is the best way to make money online. It's by doing affiliate marketing. So I don't have to take care about payment processors. I don't have to take care about or do customer service. I don't have to take care on cancellations, right? The only thing is that I refer people to a product I know they need, right? And that's, for me, is the most powerful way to make money online by affiliate marketing. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. Okay, if you don't feel okay doing this because you don't like affiliate marketing, that's okay, right? That's okay. Go with Google AdSense or any other kind of pay advertising. create your own course or product, or promote your own products or services. Okay, but again, you are gonna be influencing people, so you're gonna be teaching these people or sharing valuable information. It doesn't need to be anything super complicated. Remember, you are you, and it is okay to understand that at the beginning, chances are like, let's say that you're gonna go with YouTube. The video that you record, it's not gonna be the best. If you go with blogging, maybe the first article right, it's not gonna be the best article ever. But you need to get started. Okay, you need to start. You need to understand that this is your moment. Okay, this is your moment. It's literally now or never. Right now, it is way easier to be an online influencer than before. We have so many social media platforms. Choose one, stick to it, and then if you want to continue on it and move to the next one, go ahead and move to the next one. Okay, so if you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.